Hey everybody, it is Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I haven't been up very long. I'm at my desk and waking up. I have my coffee. In fact, put it right there. I'm going through some things, a lot of things actually. I bought some things. Where are they? Oh my goodness. Oh, I do want to show you a couple of things that I thought were pretty cool. When I have to go shopping, I try to stay away from the really big stores. We have a Dollar Tree and an Ollie's, some of you know what Ollie's is, that are really close to us. And where I work, I have a Food Lion that's not that large. It's very close to me. I mean, it's the size of a regular grocery store, but it's not like one of the huge. It's smaller than some of the other ones in the area. But that's kind of my stopping places to get the things that I need. And of course, I'm very careful, but we have to continue to get things. And of course, I'm back at work. But in Dollar Tree yesterday, I noticed these rub-on transfers. And the looks of these, I don't know, I just thought it had the sort of the grungy Tim Holtz collage shelf or a shadow box thing sort of vibe to it. So I bought a couple. I bought this, just one of these. I was tempted to buy them all, but I thought no, leave them for someone else. And yeah, I love these. I bought two of this one. It's so neat. You know, they had the, I don't need to open that one. They had the butterfly die cuts for a while, and Gail, thank you for telling me about those, because I was lucky enough to get some of those. But I've never seen them again. I think they stay sold out, or either they're not going to get any more of those. I do like using rub-on transfers, though. I do, and I wondered if I could put some on a page, or put one on a page I've already done. Where are all of my pages? I'm kind of scattered this morning. I say that all the time, I guess. But lot going on. It's time for my new grandbaby to be here, and we're thinking today. So I will keep you posted. And I do work today. If it weren't for COVID, that would be a different situation, but you know, the hospitals are kind of on lockdown. Nobody goes in without having to be there, and gosh, that water needs to be thrown out. I'm awful with things like that. Okay, so let's look at these transfers. What's on this side? I wonder. Would probably be best to cut around the one that I want to use. We will give these a go and see. How they do. I'm out in the workshop and the door is open, and I'm always afraid an animal is going to just wander in. That would probably alarm me. That would scare me, just because my mind is on something else, and it has been so hot here lately, so hot. It's very difficult to work outside. Let's see if throw that part away. Where do I want that? That's pretty. And let me get a little wooden stick. It's just like me not to read directions. Oh, but it looks like it's going to work out nice. that's a pretty roll-on transfer. You know, the thing about a grungy journal, so like if some of this scrapes off later, which I'm not going to start in on that now, it kind of just adds to the look. So those are at the Dollar Tree. I like those. I might be doing a few really short videos to clear my phone up and to get some things out there that I've been thinking I would edit and I haven't. So just to give you a heads up on that. Sometimes little short videos are fun. Once the drama of labor and delivery is over or settled down, I will try to catch up on things. I'm gonna be pretty busy over the next week, but I know that I need to send out emails, and I have some more fabric packs that I need to list and fun packs. But grandbaby's really special. With that, I'm gonna stop this video, and I will see you really soon. Bye for now.